That chaos in Libya is also causing some jitters over here on Wall Street. The Dow dropped more than 178 points yesterday. That is its worst decline since November, while oil prices skyrocketed 6%, up to $95 a barrel, the highest in 2 years. CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is here with a closer look at what this means for our wallet. So we saw the unrest across the region, oil now approaching $100 a barrel. But Libya is, I believe, the 18th largest producer of oil. Why then would we see such a spike?
Yeah, it may sound like Libya isn't that big or that controlling in the oil picture, but the reality is that Libya sits atop the world or Africa's largest oil reserves. So when you think about future oil, it's a big deal. It's also a big deal because it's a member of OPEC, which controls 30% of the world's oil production. And in addition to that, Libya falls in a neighborhood that's particularly important to oil supplies. Saudi Arabia, which is one of the world's largest producers of oil, is right in the neighborhood, and the bigger the instability gets, the more traders on Wall Street fear it could expand and Saudi Arabia could get pulled into the fray. That would be very dramatic for oil prices.
So that's why we're now just starting to see there's been so much unrest over the last 3 weeks in the region. But is that why now we're starting to see the impact on Wall Street and on the Dow?
Yeah, that's a very significant point, Erica. The other issue right now is that as oil prices continue to climb, when we get closer to that $4 a gallon level, all of a sudden there are implications for the economy and the economic recovery. And Wall Street is concerned that at this fragile point in our recovery, if prices continue to climb, it's going to be more expensive for companies to do business, and it's going to be more expensive for you and me on multiple levels, not just at the pump.
Right, shipping goods, all of those things that involve gas. When will we start to see the impact on the price of gas?
Well, when you think about it, you're already seeing the impact on the price of gas. But to put it into historical perspective, Erica, right now, prices are well below, 36% below the all-time highs at the pump. We saw $4.11 a gallon at the pump in the summer of 2008, so we're still a ways away from that. But back then, oil trading-wise was $140 a barrel. We're still $100 a barrel. That's pretty close.
All right, Rebecca Jarvis, thanks.
Thanks.